bright you are. Way up high you shine so sweet, lighting up the sky we meet. When the golden sun goes down and the night takes off her crown, then you glow with silver light, shiny, shiny all the night. Dreamers smile and close their eyes. Stars are dancing in the skies, waving softly from afar. Shiny, shiny little star. When the morning light is near, you fade slowly, disappear. But you'll twinkle back once more when the moonlight starts to soar. Now the clouds drift far and wide, moon and stars play side by side, singing softly through the air. Peace and love are everywhere. Little ones in bed so deep, hear your tune and fall asleep, dreaming under skies so far. Shiny, shiny little star.
Bye-bye.